Okay, we're here with Jay. I will link Jay's channel below. Jay got their first Stitch Fix. I will put a referral link below to Stitch Fix. Jay, let's see.
Let's see what we got.
What'd you get?
We haven't looked yet.
No, we wanted to look with y'all. So,
Oh, hello.
what's your stylist name?
Take a peek. Tuck inside pieces from your stylist outfit inspiration.
All right, here. Let me see that card thing that you just saw. Not that one. That one. Yeah, because this will have the pieces that you got.
Okay, and this is the card I want to use. Alright.
And that'll have the prices of each item and also a description.
Alright. My stylist picks from Jennifer.
Jennifer!
Jennifer, yay. Let's see. Emma ML knit dress, a dark green one, okay.
Well, here. Hand me that and just pull the stuff out. You
Yeah,
don't
then
need
we can
to
look
give
at it.
spoiler alerts.
No. You can check them out.
So pull out one item at a time
Alright.
and let's check it out. Just grab the first thing on top.
Yeah, wrapped up in here. And
Yeah, it's your bundle burrito.
the bundle.
Burrito!
Okay, looks like the first one is the green.
Okay,
Oh.
so this is a olive, and the item is Daniel Rand. This is a lace detailed split neck top. That is very pretty, and I
Very
think that
pretty.
color is going to look good on you too.
Yeah, and I like the little.
Go ahead and come up a little closer if you wouldn't mind to show. You can show them the detail.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, it looks really pretty.
Yeah,
Look at that. It's so pretty. I like this.
that is very pretty.
It's
It's a
very
nice
pretty.
top.
Yeah, I like that.
And that top retails for $64, and that is in a 3X, and we'll do a try on here in a little bit. 64 though, wowza.
Yeah, it feels.
But
really
these are designer and quality pieces. These aren't cheap clothes that you would find at like a Walmart or anything. These aren't those brands. So
This is the brushed knit top.
okay, brush knit top. This one is a $38 top. That's pretty. I like the
Ooh,
colors.
Yeah, I like it.
You want to come up a little closer to the camera so they can.
Yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, I like flowers. I've been
How
telling
does it
Angie.
feel?
Yeah, you're gonna like it.
Oh,
Well,
that's nice and soft. Yeah, that'll
yeah.
feel good on you.
This,
That
yeah,
also is a 3X.
3X.
Yeah.
It might be too big. I think.
No, I don't know. We'll
I
see.
think 2X's was my size, but we'll see. We'll see how it
I'll
feels.
let
Oh,
try on.
I love how it feels. And I've been telling Angie I've been loving flowers.
Flowers are so pretty. Perfect for spring and summer too.
Oh yeah.
Like really good time of the year to wear floral prints, in my opinion.
All right. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm seeing lights from the freaking light. I'm
I
looking
know,
into
it's a bright ring light.
Yeah, let's see. I think this is a.
That's going to be the dress.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Kinda-
Okay, that's the navy dress. This is a 41 Hawthorne Caitlin Surplice dress, something like that. $78 on the dress.
Let's see where I can grab it.
Right there, and
Oh
then
my.
follow the hand around to the other side of the neckline. No.
Good.
Here, you
You
want
sure?
me to help you?
You might need to because I'm confused.
Okay, stop. Just stop. Stop what you're doing. Stop.
You see
Let
that?
go.
Stop.
Let go. Let go. Okay. Look for the tag.
Yeah, that's what I saw.
Find that, and then take one hand, and then the other hand, and then boom, you'll
Oh my
find-
God, where was
you'll
I?
find
I
your-
was lost.
You were. I don't
Oh.
even know where you were. You weren't where you.
It
needed-
didn't look like clothing at the time. Well, that's
okay,
really
now,
pretty.
and then
though.
this will tie, so we
Yeah,
can
around the back.
cinch this around the back
Yeah.
to bring it in. But I think this
Yeah,
is nice,
that's
especially
really
given.
pretty. And
nice
the length is
neckline.
good too.
Yeah, that's a pretty dress. I like
yeah,
that
I
one.
like it a lot. That's a really pretty
You
dress.
just ball. Okay, so yeah, like I
Okay,
said, that dress is a $78 piece. Very
Yeah,
pretty.
Alright, let's see. We got.
Okay, now we're going for the green dress.
Ooh, yeah.
This is a $58 Gilly Emilia knit dress.
Mm-hmm. That's very, oh, I love the feel of it too.
Yeah, that's a very pretty dress as well.
Ooh, that's a very pretty dress. Oh my goodness gracious.
Here, bring it in close to the camera and see what the pattern is. Okay, so it's just like little speckly dots pattern.
It looks
Ooh,
really
that's
crazy on the
that's
camera.
That's going to have good flow with movement.
Oh, yeah.
When you rock
It was already mesmerizing me when I was looking in the box. I was like, ooh! And the neckline and the V-neck is really, I like it.
Yeah.
Pretty, very pretty. Oh,
very nice.
very pretty. All right, let's see what else we got in here. I think we are
one more
down
piece.
to our last.
Yep, one piece.
One piece left.
Okay, so we've got some pants.
Pants.
These are Market and Spruce Navy pants or jeans. I'm not sure. Yeah, pants, $78.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about the color, to be honest.
Yeah, it's quite a blue.
I don't know if I like that color.
We'll see how they go with
For
the
the
outfits.
pants. I don't know.
I mean, it's
We'll see, but I don't know about that color.
We'll see. Yeah.
Let us know in the comment section how you feel about that color.
It's definitely
blue.
blue.
Is that a color? Is it coming through on the camera?
Yeah, it's definitely blue.
But it's like a blue with, I don't know. It almost has a hint of green to it too.
Yeah. We'll see how they go with outfits, with the tops and stuff. I think we had what, one top? I think.
Yeah. You got a couple.
Yeah, to go with this, so.
No, you have two tops, two dresses, and then the pants.
Yeah. So.
All right. We will return shortly with the try-on. Okay, this is the pants. They are too big. If you want to go ahead and I'll put the viewfinder up so you can see what they're seeing.
Yeah, I must have put my size as too big.
But that's okay. We're learning. We're learning.
There's so many different sizes. I'm learning, but yeah. So yeah, probably these are going to be the 3X. I was thinking was too big for me, but we'll still be able to try them on and see how they are. But
all right. Well,
so see, they're a good size.
Oh yeah.
But of course, I don't have any hips either, so that's not going to fill out too much right now without some padding.
For right now, but eventually padding might help with the hip situation. But yeah. All right. Now here is the green dress.
Actually, this is dead on.
I like it.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
I think it's a good length. It's above the knee a little bit.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Yeah, perfect height on the knee there. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I think it's super cute.
And
actually, hold on, it could come forward. It looks like, hold on, let me see here. All right, no, you're about right. It just looked like that it came down back a little bit. That's how you always go and check and make sure that you're not back down. Because here, turn around, you can see that kind of like dips down a little lower down here. Because I would think it would come up about like there, but no, it's meant to be a little bit lower.
Well, if I had something here,
but
might
still,
pull
I'm
forward.
saying no. This though is in the right spot. That's exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like that's how it's meant.
Okay, leave it.
Me and my fat ass. I'm sorry, you guys. I never know what's happening back there. But yeah, I think that's.
And then in the side here, it fits really nicely.
Yeah, that looks good. And I like the length. They'll feel them go like this. See, nice swishing. It's got good movement to it. See, there you go. Good twirl. We have a good twirl here.
Yeah, I like it.
We've got a twirler.
Yeah, it's really nice.
All right, let's see the others. All right. Here is the navy one. I think it's good length.
Yeah.
I think it looks good. It's crossbody tight dress. Now, of course, we would tie that up a little bit better in the back to get the waistline, to really be accentuated. Yeah. But I think it's a very pretty dress. I like the length of it on you. That one goes a little below the knee, whereas the other one went a little above the knee.
So it's a couple.
This one is the $78 41 Hawthorne is the brand dress. That's a nice. It's nice. It looks good.
Nice, deep enough there.
Really would show off jewelry.
Oh yeah.
Paired with some jewelry.
And the feel of it's really nice too. Just same as the other one. They did a good job with.
And it's a good color that you could wear that in the evening, someplace nice. Someplace that's a little bit more on the dressier side. Even paired with a nice cardigan or.
We found my dress size though.
You can even use a shrug with that one as well. Yeah. Just underneath.
Yeah. And then that'd come all the way down to. Yeah, it's pretty. I like it.
All right, we have the flowery top, which I don't think technically is really that too big. Like,
No.
I think it's supposed to be kind of roomy.
No. After it's on me, it's definitely different than.
Yeah.
It's yeah.
I think that's how it's supposed to fit, though. I think it's supposed to. I mean, you could if you wanted it to be. I don't think it's meant to be tight, though.
No. But with me personally, I do like less baggy. But I do like it for lounging around. And
if you have a breast form on, then
oh well, yeah,
it'll fill it out and it won't be as baggy. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, I still like it, and the flowers.
I think
are pretty.
It's very pretty.
Very pretty flowers.
Material feel just as soft.
Oh yeah, my goodness, it's like a just soft teddy bear or something. I don't even know what this is.
Super cozy, huh?
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's pretty. I like the colors. It's very nice.
Yeah, match this with some nice, like a nice skirt or some pants. And
yeah, that would look really cute with a skirt.
yeah, a little flower skirt.
Well, you could even, no, I wouldn't do a flower skirt, but I would say
match.
you could even do like a pink or, you know, like a mauve color or even that dark purple that's in that flower in the center of the flower.
Oh, yeah.
See, look down at your stomach.
Oh, yeah.
That, like a skirt that color,
yeah.
would really, like, look nice.
Mm-hmm.
Then pop with jewelry, some, you know.
Yeah, it goes, I like the little short, like.
3/4 length.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Go pretty.
The 3/4 sleeve.
All right, let's do these.
Righty, and here is the green top. I like it.
Yeah.
I think it looks really nice. How does it feel?
It's almost like a skirt almost. I mean, it gives a nice little flow.
Yeah, it has movement to it.
Yeah, yeah, it's really pretty.
That would look really cute with a pair of khaki pants. It would look cute with a skirt. It would look really cute with a khaki colored pencil skirt. Like that, I think would look really nice because the top is kind of, you know, flowy.
And then have the arm pieces with another little.
Oh yeah, you could do any of that kind of stuff.
There's all kinds of stuff. Yeah, I like this one.
And I
still like all the.
That color would even work really good in the fall.
Ooh,
because of the olive, you know.
Olive green, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I really like
so
this
technically, depending on how you layer, because you could even do something underneath if you were cold, and it, you know, because it's got the little open in there. Did you see that it's got the open area in the back?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so come and show the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. It's very breathable.
Oh yeah, it looks like it is. It looks like it is. Well, let us know in the comments section which of these you thought looked nice, which ones. Yeah, obviously the pants, you know, don't suggest the pants. Just don't suggest the pants.
That's the automatic no-go, okay? No-go.
But other than the pants, you know,
there's
which
some
one did you like the best? What about you? Which one did you like the best?
Oh, I have to say the dress, that green dress.
The green dress, okay. Green dress for him. I kind of feel the same with you on the green dress. I think the green dress.
How it fit, how it looked.
I like the movement of it. I like the color. I think it's very complimentary to your skin. So yeah.
That'd be the winner out of the bunch. But I had so much fun. Trying.
So if you enjoyed spending some time with us and finding these outfits, seeing what he's got going on with the clothes for right now. I'm certainly gonna maybe do some more stitch fixes in the future.
Oh yeah,
see what else they have.
I'm gonna try at least once a month. You know, adjust my I know my dresses are on point. I just need to check on my pants. I guess they're set too high on the settings.
Yeah,
so I gotta lower those a little bit. But
yeah, if you enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, click that bell for notifications.
Ding ding,
ding ding, and. You know what they should do.
I mean, I think they should. I really
think they should. Do you think they should?
Yeah, they better. I mean,
share this video. It helps my channel grow. Please share this video and have a great day. We will see you in the next review. Bye. Bye.